Guys, Storm here. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Before I dive into today's content, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new content here on YouTube, which I try to do at least once a week. I would also appreciate if you gave me some love and send me some thumbs up to show me that you like this kind of content. So without further ado, let's dive into today's content. Okay, in this video I will discuss how to make men fall madly in love with you. So if you're a man, you can leave now. But if you're a woman who are in a relationship, you want to stick till the end, where I will share my #1 top recommendation system that will give you the love you desire and deserve. So are you struggling to make the man you love fall madly in love with you? Is his unwillingness to love you driving you crazy? Are you frustrated and don't know what to do about it? If you just said yes to at least 2 of these questions, then you want to stick till the end of this video. Because getting a guy is hard, right? As a woman living in the real world, you know this. You know that life doesn't work as they do in Hollywood films or in chick flicks or romance novels or even the lies female magazines tries to sell to you, right? Because it's absolutely fine if you want to spend your time reading them and dreaming about the life you deserve and desire. But if you're an action taker, as I hope you are, then you want to click the link below and my buddy James will spill the beans and he will tell you all about the 12 secret phrase that you must use to get a man to fall madly in love with you. And that's a love, my friend, that will last a lifetime. So if you're ready for that, please click the first link in the description below, okay? Otherwise, you will just hate yourself for not taking action. But I'm not the one who won't take it, so I won't suffer, but you will. So just click the first link in the description below, okay? So now, to get a man is really a simple 3-step formula. It's to capture his attention and then create powerful emotions in him. And lastly, you need to, on a daily basis, fill him with love, attention, and total devotion for the rest as the both of you live. Now, does this sound complicated to you? Are you unsure of how to make this 3-step formula work? Well, do you wish that there is a simple solution? There is. If you click the first link in the description below, you will get it. Because, let's face it, you deserve this, right? You're a beautiful human being, a wonderful woman, and every man who is in a relationship with you should be glad and happy that he is in a relationship with such a wonderful woman as you, right? So if you click the link in the description below, you will make him show it to you, because that might just be the trick. He might just not show it to you, but you might want to get that appreciation, right? Because who doesn't want to get appreciated, right? And even so, if you're already married to that slub, right? He might not say those words to you, that he loves you. He might not even show it. When was the last time when he surprised you with some meaningless but still romantic gesture, like getting you out on a nice restaurant or giving you some flowers or some chocolate just because you are so wonderful, you are the love of my life, right? Because, you know, if you want this to happen to you, you can click the first link in the description below, because the alternative is quite horrific, isn't it? Just imagine yourself spending the next 5 to 10 years going on endless dates with bald, overweight, middle-aged men who just have one interest, and that's getting into your pants, and never get into a real relationship with you. They don't want to get to know you. All they want is to get inside of your pants. So, is this the future you want to see yourself in, or is it something else? And I can also tell you that when you are doing that, your current husband will have sex with 20-year-old floozies who just are interested of taking his money, and he is just taking their youth, just as he did with yours, and just get sex in exchange for money. Now, there is a word for that, isn't it? I won't mention it because then YouTube might actually ban my video, but you and I both know which word I'm referring to, right? So if you don't want that to happen to you, click the first link in the description below, okay? Because the truth is, and I can tell you as a man myself, that we want to be with hot girl rather than being with adult or mature women, just like you are. She can just give him her body and her youth, but he has already taken your youth. But you can offer him so much more, can't you? You can offer him your love, your undying love and devotion to the relationship. Just remind him what made him love you in the first place. And please, click the first link in the description below and listen to what my buddy James will talk about, because that's powerful stuff and you deserve it. Because when you know that 12 secret word phrase, then you can finally get the love that you desire and deserve. Or you can, of course, continue to dream about it and never achieve it yourself. Which path do you choose to take? This is Ricard signing off.